What's up guys, today I'm going to be installing some Maxpeedingrods camber adjustment plates. We'll see how much I want to put on it. I need to fix this wheel actually. I don't know if I can, maybe I can show you. I don't know if you can see it or hear it, but basically the coilover is unscrewed. I don't know how to explain it. I'll take it out and I'll show you. This should be pretty easy. Just take off your wheel. I obviously have it under jack stands and a jack. But yeah, just take them on. All you do is just take off this 18mm bolt. I don't know if you can see it, I hope you do. Now, I had mine off before, so it's greased up and shit. Then you just get a hammer and you just that's out. And now all you have left is just these three bolts on top, and that's it. So I'll get your gun or whatever, your 13, just start undoing. Now for this last one, I'd like to just hold the coilover and then just loosen this one. It's already loose, you can probably do it by hand, but I just want to do it this way. Now yeah, it just drops down to that's it. So I thought this was what was wrong on my coilover, but that's apparently fine. The issue is in the actual coilover. Oh, still a bit of pressure on it. So that goes there. That goes there, just so I remember. Oh, there we go. So now, yeah, if you can see, I don't know, maybe you can't see, but yeah, basically this whole thing's loose. Guess I'm just gonna twist it. I don't really know how tight this should be. Maybe that's good enough. I mean, it's definitely much better. Maybe if I can just kind of squeeze that a little tight, just barely anything. I have my hammer and a screwdriver. So I think so these are two different sizes, right? And I think I'm only supposed to run it at the bottom from what I saw. Just throw that on. Now it kind of makes sense because the thread will be long enough, which you can see here. It's actually reaching to the top. It's not sticking out. So just gun it down. Should be pretty good. So I ended up putting these just right next to each other. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not, but I guess we'll just find out. So I'm just gonna push this all the way. Three, 6. This one's like off. Maybe I have to twist it. Yeah. So I think this right here looks pretty good. Yeah, I guess just squeeze it in. Now if you want, you can put a bit of anti-seize. That's what I did last time when I thought something else wrong with my coilover. That's why it came out so easily. Small bit on the bolt, just anywhere really. And second jack helps. Just position it. Keep smacking my camera, sorry. I'll have to readjust my ride height, but that's no problem. So then you get your freshly greased bolt, put it through the bracket, and just screw it in. Where's my gun? Nice 18. Setting to 3. Send it on. So I've just done the other side. Now I guess I'll just drop it. I think the car will be way too low. That's it up in the air, so I have no idea. Probably just have to raise it up, but I guess we'll just see. Oh, that's definitely too low. It's probably still resting on the jack anyway. It's not rubbing, but yeah, that's definitely more camber. So a little while later, maybe like 30 minutes, I'm trying to set it up. I went up quite a bit actually. So this is the old mark here. Well, I think it used to be like here, but I dropped when I was putting the plates on. So I went up altogether like 2.5 centimeters. So it's actually quite a bit. I don't know. I'm assuming it's because of the design of them. As I can see, they're pretty beefy, and then these ones are flat. So you kind of have to even it out by adjusting it. But gonna put on the wheel, drop it down, and then we'll see. So the car is definitely lower than before, but it's not rubbing, so I might just leave it. The colors are pretty much maxed out, so I can't go any higher up really. I have like maybe 2-3 threads to go up. That's pretty easy. It took like maybe an hour and a half. A lot of it was just adjusting the coilovers, which they are maxed out, but I don't know, hopefully it's fine. Car looks pretty good now.